Hey everybody, Kate Swan from the Florida School of Woodwork here. I've been building up my courage all week to do this, but I'm going to be installing a tail vise from HNT Gordon. It's a beautiful thing to behold, but I have to cut into my Benchcrafted bench in order to install it. So I thought I'd bring you along for the ride and for moral support, but here we go. All right, so that was really nerve-wracking. So the next step is to see whether it fits in the slot or not, and then I've got to square out the end of it. So I know it won't fit this way, but I've just want to make sure it physically goes in. Ta-da! All right, I've also got to do a couple of other things where I need to be able to put a faceplate on this, so I actually have to route the cavity a little bit deeper than this. So I'm going to aim for another 1/4 of an inch deeper hole than this, just so that this sits nice and flat on that surface. All right, big hole made in the bench, check. Let's see what the next step brings. So I've got the cavity routed out. I've also got where the plate or throat plate on top of it's going to go. All I've got to do now is just clean out or chisel out the end right here and create the plate that's going to go on top of it. So far so good. So there we have it. Took me a little bit longer than I thought. I had to start to stop and do some real work halfway through. But it's all installed. I put a nice cherry throat plate on here. It's all beautifully flush. It feels really good. Countersunk screws. The dog goes in here, and the movement is really nice. I'm really impressed with it. The knurled knob on the end, the action's really smooth, and you can do these like little tiny micro adjustments. So I still gotta probably add a few more dog holes along down the bench. So 1 down and 12 more to go. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you are interested in finding out more about us, click on the link below.